Hello everyone, welcome to Back Tech Product. In today's video, I will show you the best automatic water fountain. The Wonder Creature fountain keeps your pet's water fresh, filtered, and flowing quietly. Let's get started. Product features: stainless steel lid and easy clean design. Features a high-grade stainless steel lid that's hygienic, durable, and dishwasher safe. Keeps bacteria away and is simple to maintain. Ultra-quiet pump. Operates below 40 decibels, so it won't disturb your home. The low-voltage pump is reliable and built for safely continuous use. Transparent water-level window with LED. A soft LED-lit window clearly shows water level even at night, making refilling easy without guesswork or disruption. Advanced Charcoal Plus Pre-Filter System. Uses a replaceable charcoal filter and pre-filter sponge. The round filter combines cotton, coconut shell carbon, and ion exchange layers for purity. 360-degree multi-directional water streams. Water flows all around to aerate it with oxygen, encouraging pets to drink more, supporting kidney and urinary health naturally. Multiple drinking modes. Offers 3 modes to accommodate pet preferences. You can switch flow styles to attract your pet and boost water intake. Pros: durable, hygienic stainless steel lid. Whisper quiet pump below 40 dB. Easy water level check via LED window. Strong filtration with multi-layer system. 360-degree flow to oxygenate water. Multiple drinking modes for pets. Cons: requires regular filter changes. Needs electricity to run pump. Some pets may take time to adapt. Only 3 modes, no fine customization. LED light may bother light-sensitive pets. Final thoughts: if you want a smart, clean, and quiet solution for your pet's hydration, the Wonder Creature automatic water fountain delivers. It balances hygiene, filtration, and water flow to make drinking appealing and healthy. It's not perfect, requires upkeep and reliable power, but for most homes, it's a dependable and value-packed choice. Keep your pet's water fresh and flowing. Check the price link in the description and subscribe to Tech Products and like this video to stay updated with the best pet gadgets.